We're going to show you how to make a gingerbread house.
Yeah, I got it. Hold a little.
Okay, here, hold this. So you put
Yeah, my
the
name
frosting.
is Jaylani.
Her name is Jaylani. You put the frosting in here, and then you put this in here.
Which is really fun.
Candy.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. And then you put this one here.
Good candy.
And you don't cough on the. You do like she did. Hey.
I'm looking at my arms.
Okay, so you do this.
Flour.
Okay, Lonnie, pay attention.
and
You're messing it up.
Sorry.
Okay, that's it. Jaylani, let go. Let go.
Okay. Can I look? No, I'm fine. Look it.
Okay, so then you do this.
Again? Do you want me to hold it? Or?
No. You put them here. Hold it, Lonnie, for me, please. Okay, you put it here. And then we're going to put the roof on. We've done this like, I don't know how many times, a lot. Because it keeps falling apart, but
Take
only
picture
because
of
of our
Mama.
fault. Okay, then show the house on top. Hold
Johnny.
it. Hold it. Okay, and this, you gotta put lots of frosting on it so it stays together. Jordan, what are you taking a picture of? What are you supposed to be taking a picture of?
S.
Okay, then you put the candies on with the frosting, and then you're done.